Today I'm going to show you how to put this Plymouth foam insulation kit in your garage. You'll need 2 kits for a 2-car garage, 1 kit for a 1-car, and you will only need these 4 tools. It's super easy. Do not pre-cut all your panels assuming this end and this end will be the same. There was an inch difference in mine. All these will be the same, all these will be the same, and so on. Super easy. Mark it. Mark it. Cut, snap, trim the back. The edge of the garage door is going to be really tight because they bend this metal. So I was taking a pry bar and just pulling this out a little. But what I do is start this bottom corner, try to slide it and wedge it in, then kind of bend this and just get this tip started. And then on this one I'm just using this to bend it out to shove it in from the far side. But these panels come pre-cut height-wise. Yeah, it probably would be easier to trim a little bit off. You'll be tempted, but don't, because when you open the garage, they'll just fall out unless they're taped in. Just get it started. Bend this corner in. Once this is in, it's pretty much just and then you just tuck it up and just follow that all the way down. For the top ones, there's a bunch of videos online. I'm making just this real short. You'll have to take this 2 screws out, these 2 screws out on that top brace. Mine are probably a little tighter because there's already I don't know if it's 1/4 inch or what, but there's already a styrofoam, this plastic coating that I was trying to leave on here just to give it that extra insulation, but it goes pretty quick. So when you're all done, if your panels are fit in there easily and loose, like I said, these were tight because I had insulation behind them. Get some of that silver tape, like the AC or heating tape, and you can tape all these joints, or duct tape would work. If they're not loose, I don't think I'd worry about it. This side didn't have as much insulation, so when I opened the door, one of these panels slid. But, all right. I hope this helps somebody.